Okay, so you will need your reading book and your practice book. And if you're doing index cards or a piece of paper, we're going to look up these vocabulary words: practice, ruin, smock, copy, powder, chalk, and crayon. So let's look at page 290 and 291 in our reading books. It says, be an artist. The art lesson is the story of a boy who wants to be an artist when he grows up. What would you need to be an artist? Depends on what kind of art you want to make. Crayons are great for making brightly colored drawings. Many artists like to draw with chalk. Some paints are made by adding water to colored powders. Art students sometimes copy famous paintings or illustrations. It takes a lot of practice to become a good artist. When you paint, it's a good idea to wear a smock to protect your clothes. So it shows us pictures of crayons. We know what crayons are, and chalk, right? We know what sidewalk chalk is. This is kind of a little different than the sidewalk chalk. Powders is kind of, well, you know what a powder is. Like if you have baby powder or chocolate milk powder or something like that. And copy means to write something, look at something, and do it on your own, but using the same colors, the same lines. Practice is doing something over and over again. And a smock is kind of like an apron. It's what you wear over your clothes so you don't get paint, crayons, chalk, or anything like that on your clothes. So you're going to look up those words in your glossary, okay? And I know the words on the story are powders, but we look up powder, and crayons, but we look up crayon. And then you're going to do page 157 in your practice book. It says, use the words in the box to complete the sentences below. And you will just use each word once, okay? So that is reading, and I'll see you in a little bit for some math.